Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Kanai Karen Mangena and I'm back again with another video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make this amazing magical hair growth oil. So for starters, I'm gonna go ahead and use this cooking oil. It's a sunflower cooking oil. So it's just an ordinary cooking oil that we used to cook with at home. So I just decided to use it. So this is quite optional. You can use your castor oil, your olive oil, or your coconut oil, whatever oil you have accessible with you, because you just need oil. So I'm gonna head to heat it up with medium heat. So after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and get my eucalyptus oil and pour in two leads. I don't know how to call, 2 drops. Like, I'm gonna be measuring with the cap of the eucalyptus bottle. So I'm just going to be pouring 2 drops right into it, and this just gives it that extra smell, this amazing scent, and it's just amazing, and it's good for your hair. So now I went ahead and diced the aloe vera leaves that I already had. So I just removed the sharp pointy edges and just diced them, and now I'm going to pour them and fry them in. So the aloe vera leaves that I had were slightly thinner than the normal ones, so those are the ones that I went ahead and started using. So I'm just gonna be frying them, literally frying the aloe vera leaves. So just make sure they don't get bent, but we just need them crispy. They really need to cook. So you are cooking this at medium heat. Make sure your heat is not too high, or else they will burn without you inducing the nutrients that you want for your hair. Okay, so yeah, just go ahead and do that. Keep on stirring. So you have to make sure they are crispy. So as you guys are watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I mean, why are you watching without subscribing? And subscribing is for free, absolutely free. So please do subscribe to my channel and help me grow. Do like. So now I'm going ahead to get this amla oil. I'm just going to be pouring a bit of it. I feel like it's too strong for me, so I went ahead to mix it with these other oils so that we can neutralize that and it begins to form. So if you don't have almond oil, it's okay. This is just optional. It doesn't like do anything extra. You can still go ahead. So now I'm gonna be putting these lemongrass leaves, and they just make it smell better, and they stimulate your hair growth, so they're really quite good. So yeah, you can use either, instead of putting amla oil, you can use any oil accessible to you. You could use your castor oil, your olive oil, your Jamaican oil, your jojoba oil, jojoba oil. Please correct me if I'm wrong with the pronunciation. Please forgive me. And whatever oil you have accessible, so you can use that. So you just mix in the lemongrass leaves and the aloe vera. So you're just gonna be frying those, like the essence, guys, the smell. So I feel like the amla oil, is too strong for me. So I try to really look for things that will cool it down, because when I apply it, sometimes my head becomes painful, like it just does something to my head. So this sort of tones it down. So now that this is crispy, I'm going to go ahead and remove the aloe vera and the lemongrass. So the lemongrass just gives it that extra nice smell. I mean, it's just amazing. I honestly love lemongrass, so why not? So this is what we have just after applying the aloe vera. So right now I'm gonna get my fresh parsley from the garden, and I'm just gonna put it inside there. So make sure now your stove is off, your heat is low, you're working on low heat. So you switch off your stove and just put in the parsley. It's good for your hair, stimulates your hair growth. It also ensures that your hair is healthy. It's got good nutrients, ingredients that make your hair healthy. So I'm just gonna fry this with the heat that's left over, and then I'm gonna remove the parsley. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get my meat, right? And I'm gonna put my meat inside and fry my meat inside. Mint is good for your hair, guys. It has the secret ingredient. So I just went ahead and added just a little bit of eucalyptus oil just to neutralize the amla oil, sorry. So now that I've fried my mint, I'm gonna remove it, and yay. So now I'm going to put the rosemary inside. So this also does improve, it stimulates your hair growth. It's quite good. Those ingredients are bomb, guys. So the thing is, do not be deceived. You cannot grow your hair overnight drastically. It takes time, so you just have to be patient, and allow it to grow. You just have to be patient and consistent. So just make sure your hair is hydrated, it's moisturized, and it's oiled. Okay, so eventually it will grow. So the thing is, with my hair, I made sure to pray for it. Okay, so now that this oil has cooled down a little bit, I'm just gonna add in the rosemary, the parsley, and the mint, and just let it cool down for roughly 2 hours and seal it up. Once that's done, I'm just gonna be pouring it into my bottle. Right, so this is the old amla oil bottle that I'm gonna be using. So as I was saying, I prayed for my hair and God answered me, and now my hair grows. I don't really have a problem with hair loss, because I was like, God, you say in your word that my hair is my glory. So come on now, help your child. And from that time, I won't lie to you guys, my hair has been growing. So you should definitely try it out. So this is the final product. This is how it looks. I did add a little bit of almond oil, but yeah, this is how it looks. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for your support. Bye.